Now watch. Starts again. So if you're having this kind of car problem, then follow me and I'll tell you exactly what is the cause of that problem. Crank longer before it starts. This is a very common problem that can be misdiagnosed, and you throw a lot of money into different wrong hands. You see how I started it? Now it's vibrating. I'll tell you also why this car is vibrating. There is a lot. But if your car has been having this kind of problem, trust me, the first thing you want to check is your camshaft position sensor. Scan your car for error code and look for camshaft position sensor. If there is no any error code concerning related to camshaft position sensor, then the next thing you want to do is go ahead and replace your fuel filter. And as soon as you replace your fuel filter, the next thing you want to also replace is your fuel pump. If it is too dirty, if your fuel filter is too dirty, well, you you need to replace your fuel filter, and this problem should be solved. Those are the reasons. However, if it doesn't solve it, then tune into the part 2 episode of this very video. I'll catch you later.